Your metabolism is broken, and it's not your fault. Years of steady-state cardio, calorie restriction, and conventional fitness advice have trained your body to burn fewer calories, store more fat, and age faster. But you can fix it in just 6 weeks using protocols that most people have never heard of. The problem started when the fitness industry convinced everyone that longer, easier workouts were better. This approach actually slows your metabolism by teaching your body to be more efficient at storing energy rather than burning it. Your growth hormone levels drop, your muscle mass decreases, and your metabolic rate plummets. The solution isn't more cardio, it's smarter cardio combined with strategic heat therapy. High-intensity interval training forces your body to burn calories not just during exercise, but for hours afterward. This is called the afterburn effect, and it can double or triple your calorie burn from each workout. But here's the secret that takes it to the next level: strategic heat exposure. When you combine interval training with sauna sessions, you create a hormonal environment that supercharges your metabolism. Your growth hormone levels spike, your insulin sensitivity improves, and your body starts burning fat like a furnace. The specific protocol involves doing your high-intensity intervals, then immediately following with a 20 to 30-minute sauna session. This combination triggers massive growth hormone release while your body's already in a heightened metabolic state. The result is accelerated fat loss and improved metabolic function. Week 1 focuses on establishing the base protocols and teaching your body to handle high-intensity exercise. Week 2 introduces the heat therapy component. By week 3, you're combining both protocols for maximum metabolic impact. Week 4 is where most people start noticing dramatic changes. Their energy is higher, their body composition is improving, and their metabolic rate is climbing. Weeks 5 and 6 are about optimization and creating sustainable habits. The transformation is remarkable. People who have struggled with slow metabolism for years suddenly have abundant energy and start losing fat effortlessly. Their bodies become metabolic machines that burn calories efficiently around the clock. I've compiled the complete 6-week metabolic reset protocol into a comprehensive guide. You'll get the exact exercise prescriptions, sauna protocols, and timing strategies that can transform your metabolism in just 6 weeks. Don't spend another day fighting a broken metabolism. Click the link in the description to get the scientifically proven protocols that will turn your body into a fat-burning, energy-producing machine.